This is a legislation information app called Elect Me. It's a demo. And so I have my smartwatch and my smartphone open, and I see that my current location is in about Orange County, California. And so I have my app open, and I can choose to select the current location, which will load the representatives and senators for that given location, and it'll also show it on the watch here. So I can scroll through, and I can click on, for example, a photo, and it'll load the detailed view, which has the photo, pulls the committees from the Sunlight API as well as the recent bills and the dates that they were introduced. And I can also click on this button to view the latest tweet from the senator. It takes a little bit of time to load, so we can see the recent tweets in the form of a timeline. That's another feature, and these emails and websites are also links. So I can click on a website, for example, and then it'll take me to that actual website. On the watch side, I can also click the fragment, and it will also, so if I click Mimi Walters fragment, it'll load her detailed view on the phone. I can also click the 2012 election button, and it'll load the election data from the 2012 presidential race. And it correctly identifies that this is Orange County, California, and pulls the vote information. So we noticed that this will also work if I input a zip code with an ambiguous number of representatives. So for example, this zip code generates up to 6 senators and representatives here, and also loads them on the watch. After some time, we have an indicator at the bottom to tell how many legislators correspond. And if I click on the 2012 election button, then we can see that after loading, it will determine the correct county and update the voting information. I can also simulate a shake. So I set the acceleration of the watch to 0, which doesn't do anything. And then I can set the acceleration to 100. So we see that will indicate on the watch that this has shaken. And then, so I've indicated that the watch is shaken, and then I turn that off. I say stop shaking, and I note that it will load the updated representatives here. So we've updated to some random county with new representatives and senators, and we can scroll through them still and use the same functionality. And if I click the 2012 election button, it should also update which county we're in Wisconsin now.